In this video, I want to show you how to change the pictures settings of your Sony TV. So take your remote control and you're going to find the settings button that is located right over here. Press on it once and a menu will appear. Now on this menu, you can go right and left, and the first setting should be pictures setting. So you have this, and you also have picture mode. If we go in picture settings, select it, you'll have access to different ways to modify this. So you have picture mode, standard. Here you need to press OK, and by using the left and right arrow, you'll be able to change between different picture mode. You can also go to custom, go down, and you'll be able to edit these information. So brightness, OK. You can slide this up and down, go back. You also have color, saturation. If you go into this, you'll be able to saturate the colors more if you find them they're a bit dull. If we go back, we also have advanced. So if you go in advanced, this is where you're going to get the full options that you're probably looking for. So you'll have brightness. This is already what we changed, but other options over there. I won't go through all of them, but you get the idea. Color, clarity, motion, video options. Usually you need to have an HDMI connected to get this, and this is why I'm not able to edit it. And at the end, let's say you have modified your picture settings and you messed up and the TV doesn't look great anymore. You can reset everything that you change. So you're gonna start fresh and you'll be able to change them again one by one. So this is about it. Once you're done, you simply go back and you can go on the home menu by pressing the home button and start using your TV. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.